So this is a subject now many couples have trouble discussing. Men of all ages can be embarrassed by performance issues in the bedroom. Joining us now is Dr. Gil Mejia of Advanced Health and Wellness Center in Tampa. So today you're telling us about this non-drug, non-invasive therapy called GAINSWave. And we were just talking during the break. This has been in Europe for many years, but just now making its way here.
Yes, definitely.
So tell us a little bit about how it works.
Right. First, we'll talk about erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the #1 sex problem of men, and it's very common. 20% of 20 years old have it, 50% of 50 years old have it, 80% of 80 years old have it. It's a silent killer. It kills manhood, it kills self-confidence, it kills self-esteem, and it can kill a great relationship. So it's very important to talk about GAINSWave today.
So how does GAINSWave actually work?
Yeah, it works pretty much the same as lithotripsy. The science is based on that, in which it breaks up a stone. So by using acoustic wave therapy, it breaks up the micro-plaquing in a disease or damage or aging blood vessel in the private area. But it's more than that. It activates and recruits new blood vessel. It also activates and recruits new nerve tissues with overall result of good circulation and good sensitivity. So really it's more of repair, rejuvenate, and healing.
What type of results have you seen from this so far since you've been doing treatments?
Right. Based in Europe, there's about 80% improvement. But in my practice, I've been doing it for more than a year. I have more than that, because what we do in the office is comprehensive. It's not just GAINSWave that we do. We look at their cardiovascular markers, their diabetic markers, their hormone markers, their lifestyle. So that's why we have a better success.
So those can all obviously affect this issue as well, and you can sort of cater what they need and how they get the therapy, how often for
because
them?
having erectile dysfunction is a multifactorial problem.
Okay, so with this therapy, is it something that you get a certain number of treatments over a period of time, or how does that work?
Yes. Depending on the problem of the patient and severity, the treatment could be 6 to 12 treatments. And the advantage of this is that it's a long-lasting result.
When you say long-lasting, what do you mean? Like, do you need to keep maintenance up over time? Or?
Right. The long-lasting result is usually about 1 to 2 years, but in my practice of my patients, after their treatment, they still come as needed, like once a month or every 3 months, just a maintenance.
I was going to ask, I mean, after you get this done, do you think that this is just as effective as some other options out there, like the pill and possible surgery?
I see. Whatever the people are doing now, I would say that this is a complementary, but really much better because it addresses the root cause of the problem. See, the pill would not take care of the micro-plaquing. It doesn't activate the damage circulation, but this one will address it.
What about side effects too, before we go?
There's really no major side effects. There might be some irritation, but there's no fever, there's no pain, there's no downtime. After the treatment, they could go back to their exercise, they could go back to work.
And then lastly, how much? How much does it cost? It
really depends on how many treatments they need. And how many treatments do they need? It really depends on their goal, and also it depends on their severity.
Well, thank you so much for being here, doctor, and addressing this issue that I know that is so hard for a lot of men to talk about. This is an alternative therapy if you want to check it out. Again, the Advanced Health and Wellness Center of Tampa offering GAINSWave therapy right now. You can learn more about this new therapy by going to rejuvenateyourlife.net, or you can call the number you see right there on your screen. It's 813-960-3436. We'll be right back.